to cut out of this shape. Okay, so I've got my shape here. Okay, and we can use this surface to draw new sketches. So if I want to create a new sketch, goes into sketch mode. I select my face that I want to draw onto. Then I could make a little circle. For example, if we want one that the axis could fit through nice and easily, we can draw something with a radius of, say, let's say 10. Okay, I select my surface. Okay, finish with my sketch. Now when I extrude, if I do negative, and my width was 220, and hit enter, see here in my operation, I can choose to cut, I can choose to join, I can choose to intersect, or I can create a brand new component. So I'm going to cut, and I now have a hole that goes all the way through my little model there that I've created.